on my actions, think I finally learned my lesson. Shame I had to miss out on the blessing. Same old habits, man, that shit could get depressing. They want to feel the conflict, so I just won't address it. But when there's no response, I think they start to get the message. Scrolling past the subs, oh, now they talking reckless. Chasing me a check, so that don't get me restless. Started praying more.
So we changed up from the villa. Y'all seen we were staying in the villa before, but now we are in this loft, and I gotta say, this is the type of place that I would definitely come stay in. To be honest, the reason why we are in Bali and are gonna probably come back to Bali in the future is because I'm definitely thinking about coming here and getting a spot here and maybe splitting time between here and Thailand just as the main residences. So that's why we're here, and you're probably gonna see more Bali in the future. But let me show y'all this nice loft that we are staying in right now. So this is the top right here. So we got like a top balcony right here. You're gonna start off top balcony. Y'all see we got this artwork right here. It's a bunch of crypto stuff like rich and money. You got Bitcoin on there. You got my boy from Wall Street Bets up there, piggy bank deal. Lucky, hey. Bunch of crypto and money stuff right here, man. At the top, dope artwork. I like it. We come here. This is the bedroom right here. 2 closets, bed, a little drawing of Bali up there. Nice bed here. Go closet space for Lucky. Bathroom in here. And closet space over here from my side. So this is the bed right here. And you come on down. You see we got the artwork there. Come on down here. Down here we got the living room. The big TV right there. Room area. This little artwork got like a little balloon dog, but I mean it's obviously it's a statue, but it's like a, you know, balloon figure. And got my guy right here. Cactus. Got a little area for working or whatever you want to do here. Got a table, dining room table. The kitchen area right here. And another bathroom, 2 bathrooms. And then out here we have one of the best parts. So out here we have a small little plunge pool right here, man. This is dope. And you can turn it on, it gets warm at night, has a nice warm temperature. You turn it on, has dope little LED lights on the inside as well. Little sit down area, hang up rack for the clothes, plants out here. Yeah, man, this is it. 2 floors. This is somewhere I could definitely stay, man.
Into the mission, I make 1,000 decisions a day. So how many of them am I gonna let be mistakes? Wrestling my demons while I'm ducking the fakes. Asserting my place up at the top of the greats.
Good morning. So today is gonna be another day of exploring some of the natural beauties of Bali, Indonesia. This is gonna take about a 2-hour drive, even further than we went before. But first, we're gonna start off with a little bit of food, of course. We got this nice place, Rawoon Baboon. It's over here by the rice field, so we're gonna taste the food and see what it tastes like, man. We got some Balinese food for y'all as well, so we're gonna show y'all that. All right, look, he got some sort of chicken. What was this chicken, right?
Yes, I think chicken, yeah.
Grilled chicken, it smell good though. Definitely smell good. And I got some chicken fried rice. Also a little bit of grilled chicken on the side. Tropical sunset drink. She got a big coconut. So, yeah, man.
I can't be Fox. Whole squad been going up like we got Nike with the shocks, boy. Claim that you a block boy, really need to stop, boy. Everything you tryna be is everything you not, boy. Need to fight the London nigga, I feel like the top boy. Got a call from Shaq, he like Bam, why you always gotta flex? Lately that's just how I let go of the stress.
Alright, After 2 hours, we finally made it. But the thing is, man, if you want to see all the beautiful sights of Bali, like the waterfalls and all that, you kind of have to go further out into the real Bali and see everything it has to offer, because in a place like Canggu, it's more tourist centric, not really a lot of natural wonders there. So you have to go 2 hours out to get to the real Bali, to see the real beauty of Bali. We got a guide as well. So for this tour, it was like 3 waterfalls? 4 waterfalls. So 4 waterfalls was about 125 IDR for 2 people. So, and it comes with insurance and water and activities you can do and all that. So. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Oops. So as y'all can see, a little trek down. See the stairs.
Come 5 meters
Uh-huh.
and then the waterfall slide.
Ah, okay. You see that big spider right there? So the best thing about these waterfalls is they're all really close to each other. They have a nice paved walkway as well, so very accessible, man. Some of the most accessible waterfalls I've ever been to. Hello. See another like natural spring.
This is Aling-Aling waterfall.
This is Aling-Aling?
Yeah, the water can drink.
Oh, they say you can even drink that water fresh. All right, another little set of stairs. I see a crazy waterfall up here though. Wow. See this right here? How crazy the water coming down. Wow, bruh. One of the best waterfalls in the entire world, man, behind me right here. 2 hours to get here, but it's definitely worth it. Because, I mean, you're only gonna see stuff like this in very few places. And no matter where you go, it's gonna take a little trek to get there. But Aling-Aling waterfall, people. Now the water look like it's coming down a little too hard for us to swim. And it's more relaxed, chill waterfalls down where you can jump in and slide and all that. So we're gonna go do that, but I just definitely had to show y'all this, because I mean, so he was saying it's 35 meters high. I guess a lot of people don't really swim inside there because of how hard the water is going, so. have like another waterfall here you can jump from. Dope, man. A little swimming area. Dope though, man. It's more like a little like mini waterfall. So I'm thinking I might jump, man. They also have like a water slide. This right here is like a natural water slide you can go down. Now I don't know about it though. It look a little high. All right, so I done jumped off a yacht at about this same distance. So I ain't too much worried, but I'm about to get y'all an action shot of me jumping from here. So let's get it. Say jump out, right? He was telling me to jump down on this one. And this one is about 20 meters. A little higher than the last one. Now, I could do it, but I don't want to push my luck. I think I'm all right on the first jump. All right. You talking about she's gonna slide. I don't know. Beautiful springs. Huh? Oh yeah. We're gonna swim in here for a little bit. This joint right here is extra high. I don't know. They might have already did it, but I ain't about to jump off that one. Nah, they about to do it. Oh, they about to do it. Huh?
You love me?
You
You
trying
love
to...
me, you have to come with me?
Yeah. Look. Oh. No? No?
No!
You good?
It's good.
So, I'm about to hop on this natural water slide they got and show y'all. Lucky don't want me to do it. She's scared, but it is what it is. Alright, man, that was definitely exciting, man. Going down the big water slide, jumping off the top. Definitely dope water sports. And it's definitely a beautiful environment, man, surrounded by all these trees and nature. Beautiful, beautiful scenery back here, man. Look at how like green it is. How you feel? Feel cold? This is the beauty of Bali, man. Surrounded by all types of nature. Cool water, nice swimming. It's been a good trip to Bali so far, man. Got a few more things coming up for y'all, of course, but I'm glad this time we got to actually see the real Bali, and it definitely took us traveling a good amount of distance, and we got to travel back a good amount of distance, but This is what you gotta do to see a view. Come down the slide. Oh! So there are all types of natural waterfalls all over Bali. Now there are some that are closer to Canggu. There are some that are further out. I would suggest, man, if you got 2 weeks and you're gonna be coming to Bali, to explore it a little bit, man. There are waterfalls from 20 minutes away to 2 hours away, 3 hours away. You can even stay the night in some of these places if you want to. Like if you want to drive up, get a hotel or get an Airbnb, that also could work as well, man. Just drive your bike around, see the scenery, kick it at a nice waterfall, get you some food, go check into your hotel, chill there for the night, drive back to Canggu in the morning, man. That also works as well. So there's all types of ways to do Bali. And the first time we came here, we really just chilled in Canggu and we did the beach clubs and all that. And we still doing the beach clubs. Of course, y'all see us still doing the beach clubs, but I just wanted to add a little nature into it, man, because this is why people really come to Bali. This right here. All the other stuff is fun as well, but get outside, man. Oh, he's trying to float. Oh. Not working for you? No?
Yeah.
What? What is this? What is this? Oh! They over there jumping. No? Let's go. Let's go.
Go where?
Jump.
I love you, but I'm okay.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little weary after we seen that big ass spider that we saw now. The fact that I just see that they got them types of spiders out here, oh no, I'm looking at all these trees a little different now. Yeah, man. Beauty, 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 beauty. Should I do it? Nah. Alright. Definitely got my legs burning right now. I ain't gonna lie. Legs burning. Feel like I'm on a Stairmaster. See these stairs, man? I know. I feel the same way. See these stairs? These stairs got you knee to chest. Ooh. You good? My leg's killing me. Some new shoes on now, look at it. Look at her, got them new shoes on.
Oh my god.
Dang, y'all see that? Oh my god. So relax. Oh my god. Y'all see this stuff, man? So he did this 3 times.
That's why you look healthy.
Yeah, you do look healthy. You walking up and down these stairs every day, all day. These those ancient Aztec stairs right here. Them stairs the Mayans was walking up. Huh? You got a heart attack? She can't even talk. Look at
So
it.
I have to go make nail, make hair, sit in home.
Oh, that's what you're supposed to do?
Lucky.
Lucky do it.
Oh, Lucky do everything.
You do everything? You an
I have to walk up.
You an adventurous girl though, that's why.
Lucky.
Yeah.
Say no.
Yeah.
Lucky.
Look at them views though, y'all. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Beautiful, right? Yeah. Y'all see that? That's dope, that's dope. Sometimes them walks are worth it, you know. Get to see stuff like this.
When
What
we
is it?
finish, that is not light. That is just from the thing. Light they take already. They're not gonna burn light like that.
Rice fields out here. But they said the rice is ready though when it turned yellow, right?
Yeah, they cut already.
Oh, they already took it out?
Yeah, they cut
Oh,
the
yeah,
light.
I
Yeah,
can
they
see
cut. Then they go. This is just for the thing from this. This
Yeah.
is not light. And then they burn.
That's how I was looking when we went to the rice fields like that.
Yeah. They cut now.
All right, so following the theme from our last video, you seen that we went to La Favela, which is a Brazilian bar and club, but right now we are at a Brazilian barbecue spot, and I haven't had Brazilian barbecue since I was in Brazil, actually, and it's lucky first time getting Brazilian barbecue as well. So I'm gonna show you all this, man. Not only do they have Brazilian food, they also have regular food. So you can get the Brazilian food buffet, and you can get the buffet on the inside as well. First time Brazilian barbecue.
I love.
You like it?
Yeah, tastes good.
Yeah, it is really good.
Salmon.
Yeah. That Black Angus.
Wow.
What?
I want it again.
Hello, some more. Hello. You want the ribeye Black Angus? Okay. Get some of that. Okay, that's cool for me.
You and me.
I'm drinking.
You and me.
Overseas, couple G's and expenses. Gotta get it, I've been different since the entrance.